Okay, so now that you've had a chance to watch The Good Samaritan, what I want you to do is first, in your religion journals or on the template online, what I want you to do is to write down just a few bullet points about what you learned about what it means to do the right thing and the next right thing. So, acts of kindness, when you're in a situation and you don't know what to do. What did Anna do? What did the Good Samaritan do to do the right thing? And then the second thing that I want you to do is this is going to be kind of an ongoing project that we're going to be working on is I have also uploaded a worksheet as a picture of a flower. And what you're going to do is you are going to, if you can print it out, if not, you can just color it online, is you're going to color, there we go, color each petal every time you stop what you're doing and you do the right thing instead. So what do I mean by stop what you're doing and do the right thing instead? So there might be times in your daily life, little things even that you might not think about when you kind of aren't necessarily thinking about doing the right thing. Maybe you want to steal some snacks from the cupboard. I have done that many times, even in my adult life. When you're fighting with a sibling or a friend and you want to say something mean to them or get them back in some way or not forgive them or you want to hit them or something like that, there are lots of times in our lives when we have the opportunity to stop what we're doing, take a breath, and ask ourselves if we're really doing the right thing. Maybe it's something as simple as not wanting to make your bed in the morning and still making your bed because you know it's the right thing to do, or not really wanting to brush your teeth, but you know it's the right thing to do, so you're going to brush your teeth anyway. So what I want you to do is to find opportunities in your life, and it could be if you're in the middle of an argument with a family member and you're about to say something mean, try and stop yourself in that moment and ask yourself what the next right thing is to do. Do you really want to make a choice to sin, to act against somebody, to act against God, or do you want to make a choice to do the next right thing? And eventually that will become a habit. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to practice. You're going to color in a petal and eventually color in the whole flower every time you do that. Every time you stop yourself and you do the next right thing. And if you don't, be honest about that too. If you don't fill in all your petals, that's fine because this is difficult. It's hard to do even for adults, almost especially for adults. And so I'm not expecting everyone to get it perfectly every time. This takes a long time to build, a long time to know how to do. So be honest. Be honest when you say, I didn't do it this time, but I'm going to try again, and I'm going to try again. Practice makes better, right? So this is what we're doing. We're just practicing. All right, so go ahead and check Seesaw, and it should be there, and I wish you all the best.